What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Fresh Sabatos coming at you live from the Shoe Palace. What's on the feet? Okay. Got the calves on today. I don't even wear these no more because they just started falling apart. You see that shit? Some of this Jordan quality be trash, bruh. Like, why couldn't they put the new book that's on the Bread 4s on these? They'd be such a better shoe. Look at this shit. This shit is ass. Butt cheeks. Got the matching OVO shorts though. My guy SoCal Retrofit is back in town, so he told me to bring the S2K by so he can fix the demon eyes. If you guys remember from that last video, they were like tweaking out. He's gonna put a whole new setup on it and we should be good. And yeah, it's gonna look pretty sick. I'm pretty sure you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't, I'll throw the gram down there. Go ahead and follow me. I don't see why not. I post some pretty decent content, so you might as well just go ahead and follow me. I'm not one of these corny ass YouTubers. I'm not saying all YouTubers are corny, but there's some people out there doing some corny ass shit. Like I said, if you guys follow me on the gram, you would know I made a post about the S2K, and I was like slightly considering stancing this car out. I mean, not like nothing crazy, just like put it on the floor and can't even drive it. Nothing like that. Similar to how the S15 sits, just a nice, you know, functional-ish stance, nothing too like overboard. I just got into the thought process, like, I'm not turning this thing into a time attack car. The closest track is 3 hours away. Like, it would be nice to go like here and there, you know, once every like few months or something, but I'm not that committed to like that track life and all that stuff. That's just not really me. I don't care for it that much. I just like going on a nice canyon cruise, you know, here and there. I live between 15 to an hour away from all of the local canyons and the mountain roads out here. So I would say the only thing keeping me attached to this car is how clean it looks and how nice it looks now, especially after the wrap. Like, it looks really, really good, man. This is a nice ass car. Like, yeah, it doesn't make that much power. You know, I know you could do supercharger setups and turbo setups and ITBs and all this stuff, but you're looking at a minimum, just for like a basic tune and doing ITBs would cost you like $3 grand. And you're gonna get like an extra 15, maybe 20 horsepower out of it. It's just like, for me, like having power like what this makes, that makes. Like the 340 has a $300 downpipe and put a tune on it and the car makes, you know, like 500. Like this, you kind of have to go all out on it to make, you know, good numbers. Like I know a basic like supercharger setup would probably make 350, 400, 450 in that area, but you're gonna be spending 5 to 7 grand. I'm just trying to drive the car. Like, I didn't buy it to race people, do none of that. I was just kind of thinking of like maybe just throw a different wheel setup on it, just go a little bit lower, just give it a nice like functional slash, you know, stance whenever I want, pull the top off. You know, at that point I would just call this car a little vibe. Top down, cruising PCH, you know, it would just be nice. I know the S2K is like a purebred, you know, track car. It's made for the turns and the canyons and stuff like that. But I don't know, I just don't see myself dumping any money performance-wise. To me, it's just not worth it, because it's like I have other cars. I don't need this thing to make a lot of power. At the same time, I could still keep these wheels, keep them on the side, get a different set of wheels for it, you know, lower it, you know, do the little stance thing for a little bit. And if I get bored or whatever, just raise it back up, put these wheels back on it, and boom, we're back in the canyons, you know? So I don't know what to do. You know, I didn't even think about it. I don't really need this car for a canyon car. We have the S15. Put a set of 17s on here with a little bit of meat. Don't have to raise it or change the height. And you know, this thing would do just as well in the canyons. You know, both cars weigh about the same. Both engines sit back super far, so it's damn near like a mid-engine too. But yeah, I don't know what the end goal is with this car. I really don't know if I want to just stance it, just have fun with it, drive it, or if I want to keep it functional and just hit the canyons every once in a while, or if I just want to get rid of it. I don't know. If somebody want to make me a solid offer, like, you know, the money talks. It's always on the table. But I did find someone locally that is going to put all my interior back, the OEM stuff. We're going to put the OEM soft top back in there. I'm going to take out the roll bar, put the OEM roll bar, and basically have everything OEM inside the car again. So I'm kind of looking forward to that, because driving with the current roll bar in there is honestly kind of annoying. I am somewhat tall, so I don't have as much room as I would like. I think if I didn't have that roll bar in there, I definitely would have like maybe another inch of room, and I know that would make a difference. So yeah, we'll see, man. I'm not 100% sure what I want to really do with this car. I definitely don't want to dump money into like making it faster. Just wanted to really honestly get the S2K experience and, you know, see what the hype was. And you know, it's a cool car. Don't get me wrong, it's a cool car. Definitely for its time, it was above its time. You know, it still looks super modern. I mean, this car looks damn near like a 2015, 2020 in my opinion. It definitely doesn't look like an 04. You know, same with the Z's. Even the S15, I feel like that 2000s era, like Japanese cars were just always ahead of their time and they always look really good. So I don't know, man. We'll figure out what we're gonna do with this thing, but I need to pull the Z out because I need to get the S2K out, and we're gonna be heading over to my guy to get these lights fixed. And your boy rewired the switch panel, so we basically fixed the Z. Shit, I forgot we had an exhaust on this thing. And it never fails, guys. You know the vibes. Traffic life. Don't matter if I'm going north, south, east, west. Damn, BMW problems. A 328 too? That's crazy. You would expect a 335. Damn, man, I just came to get a goddamn hot fudge sundae, and this motherfucker right here almost made my shit salvage title. Learn how to drive a stick, bruh. Motherfucker was rolling back like Walmart. God damn.
7 hours later.
Alright, guys, we are all done here. Demonizer not working. Oof. Fire. Shit looks hella sick. Look mean. Alright guys, there it is. The L Demon Eyes, all controlled by the app. Peep the sauce, peep the sauce. Okay. What color y'all want? Yeah, the blue looks pretty hard. And with the green. All the colors look pretty cool with this color, to be honest. Even the yellow. Pink, got the cotton candy vibes. Pretty sauce. Guys, peep the Evo. She's clean. Got that blue on gold. Yeah, we got all these functions too. Police kicks. Oh, I got the ETR too. It's clean ass fool. Yeah, man, go holler at my guy, SoCal Retrofit. If you guys want your headlights to be drippy like mine, go do something about it. Is that a Supra? That's so funny. I literally thought this RSX. It was an R33 from far away. What's up, Doc? Run it. Probably get me with that K20 in there, but I don't give a fuck, my shit's stock. Yes, sir. Back at the Shoe Palace. But yeah, huge shout out to my guy SoCal Retrofit. I will throw his Instagram down here. If you guys want some custom headlights. I don't know if you guys remember how they looked before, but they were a little crusty. We did a full amber delete, full gloss black housing, and we re-cleared the lens. So yeah, they look phenomenal. Honestly, they look really good. Especially with the amber delete, it just makes the front end look so clean. So yeah, that's that. The demon eyes are now working. No issues with those.
4 to 6 days later.
We hopping back into this video. Yeah, more S2K stuff. Last night I cleaned up all the interior pieces. These are like super, I wouldn't say dirty, but they was just hella dusty. So hopefully this is everything. I don't even know if this thing has glass on it. Like I can't even see, so I don't know. Hopefully everything is in working condition and everything goes back. I'm not doing it myself. I have no idea how all this shit goes back. I'm not even gonna attempt to do it. I'm pretty sure the interior pieces I could do it, but yeah, like the roll cage, the soft top, like I'm not messing with none of that. So I have a guy locally that said he's done all this stuff like 100 times. So I'm gonna be loading up the whip, put all this stuff in here, and we're gonna be dropping the S2K off today. I actually have to go to the warehouse and take off the hard top because he wanted me to take the hard top off for him just to make things easier. Hopefully by the end of today or maybe tomorrow or this weekend, the S2K will be back to normal. We could pop the top and you know, get that S2K vibe. And look at that, everything fit. Welcome back to the Shoe Palace. Finally, we're gonna have the stock stuff put back in here. As you can see, the whole inside back there is fully gutted. There's absolutely nothing. Like I mentioned before, I am not selling the hard top. I'm keeping the hard top. I just want all the stock stuff back in. I want the soft top back in, everything functioning. So when I do decide to, like, you know, just take off the top, I can still have the soft top, you know, the car will look normal. Like, I don't even want to pull the hard top off and drive it like that because it's all gutted in there and it just looks stupid. So yeah, you know, I want that option to get that S2K vibe with the top down and have the soft top working properly and all the interior back in there. Well guys, there it is. Pulled the mook off this joint. That's so crazy. It looks like such a different car with the top off. It's a real S2K now. How do you feel about the roll bar with the hard top off? I think it looks kind of ugly in my opinion. I think the stock roll bar looks better. That's just me though. But it could just be because all this is gutted. Maybe if it was like cut around the interior pieces and the soft top was back in here, it'd maybe look a little better. But yeah, it's gonna be the first time driving this thing without the hard top, so let's see what kind of vibe that is. Well guys, this is a different experience. Got the mook off! Alright guys, we back in the M340. So S2K is dropped off. Super cool guy, and crazy thing is, he's like, man, this car looks familiar. He's like, where'd you get it from? And I just told him like the guy's info and stuff. And he's like, yeah, I worked on this thing. So, small world. So he was like, yeah, he's like, honestly, it's probably taking me about like 7 hours, so I'll probably be done by tonight. Said he doesn't have anything to do today, so I'm like, shit, cool, like no rush, man, but shit, if you're gonna have it done in a day, shit, say less.
The next morning.
What is happening, guys? We back in the 2K. Interior's back. Sheesh. Let's go. Man. Huge shout out to my guy for installing the interior back. I dropped the car off yesterday. Everything's 100% back like OEM. Soft top works. We are back in action, bruh. So whenever I do want to pull the mook off, we got that option now. All I gotta do is just take the hard top off and car looks normal, doesn't look all clapped inside. If you guys need anything done for your S2K besides like engine work, please hit this dude up before you guys hit up anybody else. I'll throw his Instagram down here. I dropped the car off yesterday morning and it is 100% complete. Soft top is back in, motors, everything working. I would pop it right now, but I still have these things in here right here for my hard top, so I can't really put the soft top on yet. I just have to swap out the little brackets, but I just wanted to make sure everything was in there working like OEM. Yeah, man, the top down is a vibe, bro. Even though it's kind of like hot outside right now, top down's still a vibe. Can't wait to take this thing down to the beach. Big vibes. guys. Check that out. Crazy, right? Shit looks like a different car inside. If you guys need anything, like he does wide body, suspension, like interior stuff. The only thing he doesn't do is, like he said, like turbo kits, engine stuff, but cosmetically, anything else, he said he pretty much does it all. Guys, the amount of space that I have now is perfect. Like I actually can sit in here comfortable. Like I'm good. Like literally I'm good. I don't know if you guys can tell from before, but I was kind of like this all the time. But now, like we had that extra, and I don't even know if I put the seat all the way back. Yeah, it's all the way back right now. But I could put this all the way back. So seat's all the way back, and I'm like 100% comfortable. So that made a big difference. By the time I post this video, the roll bar might be gone. It's from, I believe, Pit Garage. So if anybody wants it, I'll probably let it go for like, I don't know, $500-600 bucks, something like that. So you guys can hit me up by the time I post this video. I don't know, it might be gone already, but man, huge shout out to him. Let me try to put the top up. I don't know if the car needs to be on. I would assume it doesn't, but I never did this before, so I just want to see this shit go up. I don't even know the condition of the top. Oh shit, the mook. Oh! Yeah, I guess the top isn't in that good of a condition, but ooh, yeah, damn. Well, yeah. Obviously, if I want to run the soft top often, I'm definitely gonna have to get this replaced. I think it's like a Robinson or Robbins or some shit. They make like a replacement for this, because yeah, this top looks like shit. So all good. I just wanted it in there. And now that I'm thinking about it, does the whole top need to come back out to replace it? Ah. Ah, fuck. I didn't even think about that. I'll do some research. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe they could just put it up and like replace it like that. But I have a strong feeling that everything needs to come out to replace it. If that's the case, I kind of effed up there. But whatever, it is what it is. I just wanted all the OEM stuff to be back in there just in case I do, you know what I mean, go somewhere and I gotta park it and actually like lock the top. And it's possible, but it's just already like ripped, so it's kind of pointless. But yeah, whatever. And these, he told me they were actually in 2 pieces, and he told me that it wasn't supposed to be like that. They were kind of basically broken. So what he did, he said people just like electrical tape it and just make it work. I guess there's like a special way to take these off without splitting them, because they come factory like glued. So yeah, she is pretty much a complete car now. Your boy got more leg room. That's kind of really was my main concern. The roll bar is cool and all, but you guys know me, I don't really like gutted cars. It's not really my thing. But yeah, that's gonna be that, guys. We got some more stuff coming soon for the S2K. I'm definitely gonna be putting my hardtop back on, because I just love how the hardtop looks on this car. On that note, guys, appreciate you for tuning into another video. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next one.